Harcher. I'm coming to you live from the Dick Goddard Weather Center here in Cleveland, Ohio with your Northeast Ohio forecast. I know you're seeing some light snow showers across Northeast Ohio right now, reducing visibility. This is not the main event that comes in tonight, but in the meantime, we do have some scattered light snow showers around, a dusting to an inch possible with this. Then let's talk about the main event, shall we? Tonight through Saturday, winter storm warning goes into effect. Areas shaded in red, counties in blue are under advisory. That just means everybody is going to get the snow, and we're expecting several inches in many spots, even areas with a half a foot to upwards of a foot. We'll talk snowfall amounts coming up, but here's what you need to know. Here's what you can expect through the duration of this storm. Travel will be difficult at times. You can definitely expect snow-covered roads because with it widespread, it's going to take a while for ODOT to hit every single road. Low visibility. Times you're going to get into some moderate and heavy snowfall, so reduced visibility, which of course means you'll have some extra time for your morning commute, for your afternoon commute. Plan on that. Widespread snow begins late tonight. We're talking mainly after midnight. Eventually that widespread snow will transition to lake enhancement as we head through the day on Friday, and then lake effect Friday evening and into Saturday. So there are several components here. You're not going to wake up tomorrow to a foot of snow, but over a duration, we could have that on the ground in some areas. And temperatures tumble. Once again, we'll have sub-zero wind chills Saturday morning. So Saturday is going to be the cold day of the weekend. Right now we do have light snow across our area. Again, a dusting to around an inch today. Temperatures in the mid-20s through the afternoon. We get a break later this afternoon into the evening, just a few flurries around, and then the main event starts to enter our area mainly around midnight. Here's a look at Storm Fox right now, and we have steady light snow from Erie to Huron over into Lorain, Cuyahoga, Lake Geauga, and Ashtabula. It's these areas, a dusting to an inch with this. This is starting to wrap up. You can see all the way out towards Toledo and over towards the I-70 corridor there, things starting to wind down. It's associated with this cold front and that low that continues to depart to the north and east. The actual storm system itself down towards St. Louis and Memphis. That low is going to track along the Ohio River Valley, and that's going to push the snow back into our area. We're going to be on the colder side of things, so this is going to be an all snow event. I'm not expecting any kind of icy situations here or sleet. So let me take you hour by hour. As we move through the afternoon, still some scattered light snow showers around in flurries, temperatures in the mid-20s. As we head into the evening, still looking good here, 8 o'clock, low 20s expected. And then this is after midnight. You can see the widespread snow with bursts of moderate snow here coming in after midnight. It continues across our area through the morning commute. And then notice how our winds shift out of the north. This is where we pick up on lake enhancement. So it's not going to stop snowing once that widespread snow moves off to the east. With lake enhancement, we'll have still ongoing snow showers, heavy at times through our lunch hour, even into the early afternoon. Here's where it starts to break apart, becoming more scattered across our area late afternoon into the evening, turning into more classic lake effect snow as you'll start to see snow bands form here Friday night into Saturday morning. Now, if you're not under one of those snow bands, it's all about the cold starting Saturday morning. By 8 a.m., we'll have single-digit readings. You factor in the wind, and it'll feel more like sub-zero, anywhere from 5 to 10 below. So a very cold start here Saturday morning. And then we'll have ongoing lake-enhanced snow here throughout Saturday morning, even into the afternoon, mainly in the secondary snow belt. So first up, we've got the snow developing tonight. The main event begins after midnight tonight. That's when all the alerts go into effect. 2 to 3 inches expected by 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. That's the key. You're not going to wake up to a foot of snow on the ground. We'll have 2 to 3 inches. You're probably saying, not too bad. It'll still be snowing. Reduced visibilities, slick roads. Remember, ODOT has to touch every single one of their highways and the side streets here across Northeast Ohio. Everybody will have the snow around. So 2 to 3 inches, of course, give yourself some extra time. That's tonight. And here's your snowfall totals tonight, just to prove it to you here. 7 o'clock, we're still looking good. That dusting to an inch, with this round. But here's 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. You can see widespread 2 to 3 inches of snow. I know it's coming down in Lorraine, Lisa says. Yes, we do have some light snow around in Lorraine, or actually more moderate bursts, but it's steadier snow. Again, dusting to around an inch with this first batch. Main event, here's what you can expect by tomorrow morning. 2 to 3 inches. As we move into the afternoon, that's when we'll get the lake enhancement. So inland areas, you can tack on another inch or two. Near the lake shore, tack on an additional 2 to 4 inches. So how much snow by Friday evening? This is by Friday evening, so this takes into account tonight, all day tomorrow, into the evening. Anywhere shaded in red, here's where you can have up to 8 inches of snow. Anywhere shaded in pink, about 3 to 5 inches, and then below that in blue, 2 to 4 inches. So again, this is by Friday evening. Then we're going to tack on lake effect snow. And this is going to go through your duration of Saturday. And in areas shaded in orange, here's where you can find 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 inches of snow. Secondary and primary snow belt will likely have over 10 inches, so we'll get that foot reading in a lot of those spots there. Scattered light snow showers today, again a dusting to around an inch, 26 degrees. Tonight, widespread snow develops after midnight, 2 to 3 inches for everybody. That includes areas away from the lake. All counties in our viewing area will at least have 2 to 3 inches of snow on the ground. 20 inches, and then lake enhanced snow, so additional snowfall expected throughout the day tomorrow. Heavy at times, it will be blowing around, so watch out for some whiteout conditions as well. So travel is going to be tricky throughout the whole entire day tomorrow, so give yourself some extra time for both the morning and the afternoon commute. People asking about school closing. Yes, it's a possibility tomorrow that we will have school closings again. Widespread snow. I know you're thinking 2 to 3 inches of snow on the ground. Remember how much of a mess it was with just that 1 inch of snow on the ground and icy conditions the morning, Tuesday morning. So there could be some school closings, yes. Absolutely, it's a possibility. Looking ahead here, as we head into the weekend, there's your cold day. Single-digit readings overnight in places. Temperatures only in the teens, and we'll have sub-zero wind chills. Now, on Sunday, mix the sun and clouds, temperatures back into the mid-20s. That's where we can play in the snow. I know a lot of kids have been wanting to sled ride and ski. Sunday's your day. Looking ahead here on Monday, here starts our warming trend. Temperatures getting near average. Average high 36 degrees, mix of sun and clouds Monday. And then by Tuesday, wintry mix in the morning. This will transition to a few rain showers around in the afternoon, and temperatures slowly climbing into the 40s here. That by Thursday, we'll be flirting with 50 degrees. It will be a balmy day with the chance for some scattered rain showers. And yes, Roxy, I know it's already snowing in Cleveland right now. This is not the main event. This is just a disturbance pushing through. I highlighted it earlier. It's a cold front that's moving across our area, and so that's why we're seeing some bursts of light to moderate snow showers along mainly our northern areas over in parts of Lorraine, and where you see the deeper shades of purple. Again, dusting to an inch. It's already starting to wind down, becoming just more scattered snow showers. So this is not the main event we're talking about. That's why we're not saying, no, we've got the winter storm warning in effect right now. This is not associated with what we're expecting later tonight. That system, again, is still well off to the south and west of us, St. Louis and Memphis. That's that area of low pressure. So you see just beyond this cold front here, not a lot going on. We'll have a window where we'll likely have no snow later this afternoon and into the evening. And then after midnight, that's when the widespread snow moves in. All right, let's see if I can answer any more questions for you. Thelma says it's coming down pretty heavy, pretty to watch. Well, that's good. I always like snow too. We want a snow day, please, if it comes. It's coming down in Lorraine. Okay, answered the school closing questions. All right, so let me give you one last peek of what you can expect to go over these snowfall forecasts. This is what we're expecting tonight. So after this dusting to an inch today, We're looking at 2 to 3 inches possible tonight, or actually likely. I'm expecting 2 to 3 inches of snow on the ground by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. As we go through the day tomorrow, we're going to add on top of that, we're looking at 6 to 8 inches of snow from Lorain to Cleveland to Painesville up in Ashtabula, anywhere with this winter storm warning. Lorain County, Cuyahoga County, Lake Geauga, Ashtabula, Medina, Summit, parts of Trumbull into Portage County, parts of Erie and Huron County. Here's that 6 to 8 inches of snow. You go inland more, you'll have that 3 to 5 inches from Fremont to Tiffin to Norwalk to Ashland to Worcester to Akron to Ravenna to Warren. And then below that, Millersburg, Canton, Lisbon, Mansfield, Upper Sandusky, New Philadelphia, 2 to 4 inches of snow. This is through tomorrow evening. All right, and then we're going to add more to that. We've got the lake effect snow coming Friday night into Saturday, and that's where we can have areas in the snow belt where those bands persist with more than 10 inches of snow. There will be areas over a foot. All right, well, stay safe, and of course, we're going to have team coverage on this. So next up, tune in to Dante. He's coming up at 4. He'll have the latest in case anything has changed for you. And of course, we have Andre and Mackenzie as well this evening, and then Scott Sable and Patty Harkin will be joining you tomorrow morning to look at the roads and conditions as we're just getting into the heart of things. All right, okay, so winter storm warning goes into effect tonight and continues through Saturday for some winter weather advisory for our southern areas. Again, that goes into effect tonight at 11 o'clock.